Hey y'all, 2006 Yamaha Roadliner. A short fella, 5'7", so I swing the leg over and I occasionally hit the bag with my boot. So I've got a few scuff marks on here, and I picked up this product off of an Amazon site. Gonna give this a try. We've already put the first coat on, let it stand for about 5 minutes. We're gonna now um, polish it off and see what the results look like. Alright, so we can still see there's a few little flaws here and there, but again, this is just one coat, and I think those will probably come out with a couple more. You can see they're here where we had some wear on it, and it did dye it. It was like a brownish color after the wear. It's dyed it back to a black. We're going to work on that some more, but overall, pretty happy with the results. I'm not great at buffing it out, but we'll work on that. We'll get there. And so far, pretty pleased. As you can see there, it's not going to do much for that, but we can always wish, right? 2 wheels down, y'all be good.